Once you have created a color formula for your client, you will first want to try it out on a small strand of hair to verify vital information needed to understand whether or not this formula will accomplish everything it was designed to do and how. Pages 692, 712, and 713 will be our focus for this lesson. Our learning objective is to define what a preliminary strand test is and why it is used. This preliminary strand test determines how the hair will react to the color formula and how long the formula should be left on the hair to achieve the desired results. The strand test is performed on a small strand of hair to determine this information, so that if the formula is not correct and requires adjustment, you have not performed the service on the entire head. This way, if the formula is a mistake, we only have a small one and not a whole head full of mistakes. One strand of hair is much easier to correct, should corrections be needed. Strand tests also provide us with very valuable information, such as time. How long a color should process all depends on the hair you are working with. The darker the hair, the more melanin it has, which means the longer it takes to decolorize. The porosity of the hair influences how long a color will take to process as well. Porous hair will require less time, while non-porous hair may take much longer to process. The existing tone will also influence your processing time. Reds take longer to lighten than blondes, and black tones will almost never live to a level 9 in one visit. The strength or intensity of the hair color can also influence how long the color will take to process. The more previous applications, the longer it will take to remove. Heat can also influence time factors. The hair at the scalp will process faster due to the release of body heat. Some colors may require the use of a hooded dryer to speed processing times. To perform a strand test, first create a color formula for your client. Perform a scalp and hair analysis to ensure there are no abrasions or hair color contraindications. Drape the client for a chemical service. Section at a 1/2 inch square subsection in the interior of the nape. Place the strand of hair in a small sheet of foil and apply the color mixture to the strand. Fold the foil gently around the strand test and allow it to process. Check the development in 5-minute increments. Continue to process until the desired results are achieved, making notations of processing time and other important data. Stop the process immediately if results are going astray. Make any notations on the client's record card. Shampoo out the color, dry, and observe the final results. Adjust the formula, timing, and application method as necessary.